We got a 2015 Lincoln MKZ, and the hood will not open. And the handle, I mean, it feels like it's got tension on this handle, but it won't pop the hood open. I've tried every trick in the book. Had somebody pulling on it while I was beating on it and pushing on it and trying to work it, but it will not pop open. So what I'm going to do right here in this front slot right here, I'm going to run a swivel and extension up there, and there's a 10mm nut there right at the end of my light, and then one over here. I'm going to try to remove them and see what happens. I'm going to be using this right here, a little wobble socket with extension. This is a 1/4 inch. Now I'm going to have to pry up just a little bit on this to get this socket to clear in this gap. Not a lot, just enough for it to clear. Okay, that one will not work. It's too bulky. So I'm going to switch over to this little wobble right here, 10mm, 1/4 inch. Back under here. That one's a little easier to get under too. Both nuts are off of this, but see them studs sticking out? That's holding the latch where I can't pull the hood up any farther. I'll have to try to get something in there and pull that, try to pull that latch past them studs. Okay, I'm just pulling out on that latch with this heater hose tool, trying to clear them little studs. It's coming up some. Okay, here's what we got. Got it up that far. And it starts hitting this plastic up here on the top. Okay, hood is open. Now you can get a better look at this latch. See, that's where them bolts were, them nuts. Removed them, and I reached in here with this tool and grabbed it. Just pulled it past it, raised the hood up a little more, and I had to get in here with this pry bar right up in here and release this. This right here is broke on it, so we're going to need to put a latch in it. I'm going to get this cover here off and get a latch coming. Could be some stubborn little suckers. See what we got here. We got an electrical connector right there. Hope I can get my hand down here to unplug it. Pull it up like this. There we go. See right here. Then unplug it. Then we have the cable. Okay, see here on this cable, it's got these two little tabs right here. You'll just take some needle nose in here, you'll smash these together, and that cable will slide out, and then it'll unhook from this latch right here. Should be just pop it out from the side like. Because I don't want to break the cable. There we go. Come out there. and go up here and like that. You see the part number there? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, let's get this hooked back in. Loop it back in here. Snap our cable back in. Make sure it's secure. Make sure that's released. That's released. Go back in here and plug it up. Plug our electrical connector up. Stuff it back down in here. Just gonna go about center right now. Just snug it down. Not gonna tighten it down real far. Get my hood cleared off, and then we'll see if we need to do any adjusting. Set her down here slowly. See if our release part here works. Right here. All right, now it's closed. Let me release it. Okay, pop it open. Come up, okay.